looking at the wrong thing. Sorry, Grace. We're going to start over. Let me go to the restroom. Hello, my friends.
All right, Zane, how you feeling?
Feeling great. My wife is, no, that's not good. We got to start over. I'm feeling great. I love the New York scene. I think I could have grown up here instead of rural Alabama. I think it would have fit well up here.
Awesome.
It's a very heavy fabric. It's one of those coats that is warm, but it's lightweight. It's almost like you're not, I'm not making any sense. I'm about to sneeze. Something is up here.
Bless you.
I'll never sneeze. Okay. And then we have, okay. Please tell me I haven't broken my camera. And this is basically an at-home deal. One of the first ones was, does it really work? If you use it, yes, it absolutely works.
So Jamie, talk us through what all did we do today?
We've had a full day, but a wonderful day. What did I do? What did we do? We did a photo shoot. Tucker, Thumper's here. Come on. Let's go see Thumper.
You know, I think when I look at my own life, I probably do okay on physical. I probably give it as much time. I mean, I need to be more disciplined.
But is the dog in the house?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, baby.
No. He's not outside, is he?
I don't know. Put it on pause.
Oh, no.
Sorry, y'all. On pause. And baby, you need to up the energy. You seem very bored. Jamie seems very bored to me. This was better than Jamie has given it. Give us 1 second, y'all. All right, guys, we're about to start back. Finley, we're about to start back. Should I stop this? Okay, hang on. Tucker! Yeah, okay, here we go. And Jamie, the last one I would say is social and physical.
It smells so good, that strawberry. I would be licking these blades, but raw egg. Can you not just see those in the window of a bakery? They're so pretty. They smell great. And they're so pretty on a plate. So I want to take a picture. That was for Instagram. Ooh, since that broke, I'm gonna have to eat it. So when the grits start thickening, you just want to add cream cheese and butter and stir until smooth. Every morning without fail, I start with AG1, and within the hour, I will get the business done in the bathroom. Oh, you laughed.
I'm so sorry.
So I love to just get my shaker bottle and hang on and let me retrieve the shaker ball. Should we start over? I'm working in the dining room now. No, I'll just keep going. Hey friends, it's the afternoon and I've been doing some work and now I'm enjoying, okay, that sounds so fake. Okay, do you want me just to start? Tell me, do you want, I forgot what I was gonna say.
My love is just the same, just the same.
Happy Father's Day to you, Zane. And you can't go wrong gifting the man in your life anything from Untuck It. When I asked Tucker the perfect gift for Zane for Father's Day, he said, Mom, are you kidding me? You know it's Untuck It. They're fabulous. Just give us one twirl. I know you don't.
I don't feel like a model, but I love these.
But you look so dapper. Thank you for reminding Mom of the perfect thing for Father's Day. Start and we're going to turn again. Close it and then turn. I'll walk up.
This is business casual in my world. I love it.
Turn around. Let everyone see
Get
the
my
back.
collar fixed, babe.
Let everyone see the back. Let's especially if you're on the shorter side. A lot of men who are short have a hard time finding jackets and shirts that look
You
good.
said I'm short?
Oh,
You don't say I'm 5'11". Don't say I'm short.
5'10".
And I'm not. I'm
All right,
5'10".
walk back in with him.
Okay.
This is from Target, and it's just got straps. It does not have the back out, so going to the potty, you have to completely take it off. This adorable sweater, this is a medium. I don't even, oh, I'm putting you for sale. Stop. All right,
You gotta
look,
save that.
Look, see if it's doing it.